The more time you spend practicing a strategy, the less room there is for error. Most strategies that I have ever used are complete trash, but this one that I'm going to show you today is something that I've used for years, and I'm going to pull back the curtains and expose this Forex strategy to you guys today. As long as you're comparing your success to somebody else's, you're never going to be the best. Especially when it comes to trading, this is extremely vital. Let's be real, if you think you already are the best, there's no room for improvement. The process to becoming the best trader is using one strategy day after day and constantly perfecting it. What I'm going to show you guys is a strat is going to work very, very well. 2 videos from this one. I'm pretty sure the next video, if you're watching this as an older video, the next video that I post is actually going to be, the next video that I post after this one is going to be how to actually read the candlestick. So if you're watching this video, you should go and watch this whole video and then go and watch the video after this, because the correlation between these 2 videos is going to be perfect and it will help you guys dominate the markets. But I like to call this the daily strategy. And what I'm doing, let me give you guys some context and some background before we just dive in and go over everything. Trading on higher time frames is going to be much less emotional. Why? Because the candles, the expiration time, they actually have a longer expiration time. Versus candles on the 1 minute chart, they're opening and closing every freaking minute. So it's very chaotic, it's very emotional. So this is the way that I like to interpret the markets, and you guys should do the same exact thing. If you are a very impatient person, I'd be trading on higher time frames. Why? It's kind of contradictory, but you need to be able to conquer yourself and your impatience, and this overall is going to help you. Because let me explain something to you guys. If you're an impatient person and you're trading on lower time frames, you're going to get very frustrated when you take a loss, and you're going to go right back into the markets, and you're going to end up losing a lot more money than making money. So that's why when you're on higher time frames like this, all you do is set and forget the trade. If you're trading on the minute 1 and the minute 5, you're going to be glued to the freaking computer. And I'm telling you from personal experience, me as a trader, I am very, very impatient, guys. And when I trade on higher time frames, like anything above the minute 15, it's very beneficial for me. So you guys need to understand that if you are a very patient person, cool, trade on 1 minute time frame, 5 minute. It's really personal preference what you want to do. But I found that with my impatient nature, I trade better on higher time frames because there are less opportunities. Meaning that if I just take one trade, I can't just sit in front of the computer all day. So this is actually how this strategy works. What I want you guys to do is make a watch list of any pairs that you want. Forex pairs, indices. What I'm doing on this time, what I'm doing with this strategy right now is I'm only focusing on Forex pairs. So if you go right here to Forex, you can just add whatever pairs that you want. I'd get like the top USD pairs, Euro USD, GBP USD, USD JPY, AUD USD, USD CAD, and USD CHF. Those would be like the top 5 pairs that I would be focusing on if I were you guys. Okay? That's the first thing that we're going to do. Now what I want you guys to do, and this is off the charts, is go and set a timer. And you're going to have to correlate it to your time zone. But what I want you guys to do is set a timer that goes off at 2 p.m. PST every single day. That's my time in California. So if you're on the East Coast, it'll be 5 p.m. Have that alarm go off Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. It wouldn't go off on Friday because the markets close actually right here in 3 minutes and 40 seconds. It's 1:56 right now. So we're going to have it go off Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. And then what you're going to do is you're fully going to be focused on being on the daily time frame. We're looking at the daily time frame with this strategy right here. And when that timer goes off, what I'm doing is I'm simply looking at how this candle closed the previous candle. And I'm going through and I'm scanning, okay, what is Euro USD doing? Do I see a setup? Well, it looks like we have a spinning top about to close. The past 3 candles are bullish candles. We could see a potential buy probably up to this support right here that will become resistance going into next week. So what I would do is essentially if I see a candle close how I want, I'm going to just set up my position. And like I said, the next video that I'm going to post is specifically going over candlesticks and how to recognize them. It's going to be a game changer and really help you guys out. You guys need to watch that video, okay? So what I see right here is like, oh, let's go up to this resistance point right here. Or we could even be like, you know what, let's go up to this wick right here, right in this zone. I think it could go up there. And then most of the time we're taught that we want our stop loss below the previous candle's wick. You're most likely going to be doing that with this strategy right here. So yeah, we have a pretty good stop loss of 110 pips to a reward of 136 pips. One thing that I want you guys to focus on when you're trading, I want you guys to listen to me very carefully. Yo, if you guys are looking to scale your trading business and you want to get to the next level, whether you're just starting out or you already have some experience in the trading industry, you need to join us at Reward Over Risk. We have a bunch of programs like one-on-one mentorship where I actually have a 10-day class where I show you my exact strategies. We have live trading sessions where we get on Zoom calls and trade together as a community. And we also have trading softwares that can trade 100% hands-free for you. We have everything that you need to take over your trading this year and the following years. But the only way for you to apply for this is to click the link in the description and book a phone call. Once again, click the link in the description, book a phone call, and let's see if you're a good fit to be a part of our community. Talk soon. When you guys are trading, your emotional state of mind is going to be very, very important. But you need to take inventory of the emotions that you're feeling. And one emotion that is very key when it comes to trading is the emotion of confidence. How confident am I when I am looking at these charts? And if you guys want, you can get a paper and have it on a scale of 1 to 10. 10 being extremely confident, 1 being not confident at all. And rate it when you guys are looking at these trades. Say, do you know what? I'm feeling about a 6 right now. And then have it. If it's between 1 to 3, that's not very confident. You're probably not going to take the trade, but if you take the trade, you'll risk like 1% of your account. Then if it's between 4 and 7, then you'll actually feel some type of confidence. You'll feel pretty confident. Then you'll risk 2%. And then if you have it on your chart from 7 to 10, then you're extremely confident. You'll risk 3%. So it's important to actually judge and feel yourself out, and be honest. You need to be honest with yourself. Like, do you know what? I'm not really feeling confident on this trade. I'm going to just walk away. Because if we don't see a setup on one pair, that's completely fine. We got all these other pairs we can look at. One thing, once you guys do set up your position, though, one thing that I like to do that's very beneficial is just get my alert right here. And I'm going to set 2 alerts, one for my take profit and one for my stop loss. So for my take profit, I'm going to have it right here at these numbers, 07204. And I can put a little note right here, a message will pop in, Bureau USD TV hit. Okay, create that. Then I'm going to get another alert, but I'm going to put out the stop loss right here. So 04737. I'm going to go right here and put Euro USD stop loss hit. Boom. So instead of me being a freaking lunatic and staring at the charts every minute of the day, every hour, whatever it is, you guys don't need to do that. One thing that I tell my students is you guys should ultimately have a day-to-day routine where you know exactly what you should be doing on an everyday basis. Once you enter a trade, go hit the gym, go for a run, go make dinner. Have a routine set in place. And I'm telling you guys this right now, the things that I'm telling you I'm very passionate about, and these are things that I've used in my personal trading that gave me the biggest advantage. One thing that I've been doing recently is I make a to-do list the night before. So I have my to-do list right here. It's make YouTube videos, go over my net worth, go over my credit cards, send an email out, go to the gym and hit chest, make 10 reels for Instagram, study Spanish for 30 minutes, study trading for 1 hour, read the Bible for 1 chapter, schedule a call with students, do 100 push-ups. I have a whole to-do list of shit that I have to do, because when it comes down to it, the process of marking up the charts should not be a very long process, a couple of minutes. And I'm going to show you guys right now. So boom, we have our setup for Euro USD right here. Cool, that's what we see. Now let's go to GBP USD. Do we see anything? Looks pretty damn similar to Euro USD. We could see a potential buy. Okay. Ooh, USD CAD looking like a very nice sell. We have this bearish spinning top right here. We could take a sell right down to these zones right here where this resistance is. They could become support. So what am I gonna do? Set up my trade. And I think it could go down to this support right down here. And this is a swing strategy. So ideally what we're gonna be doing is just setting these trades and forgetting it. If you guys want, you could put your stop like right above here to be safe. But once you do have your stop loss set, this is where you need to identify your risk and the lot size that you would use to actually go in alignment with that risk plan. So boom, we have our setup right here. I'll lock it too so it doesn't disappear, get deleted accidentally. Put our alerts again. So I like to do my take profit first. I don't know, it's just good luck for me. 35090. And then we could put USD CAD, TP hit. Correct. Okay. Then we'll make an alert for the stop loss. 37914. Put this little note right here. Stop loss hit. And one more thing, you guys can go to the notifications tab and really set up exactly what you want to happen. Show pop up. I like to send email and play a sound on my computer and then send email to SMS. Great. So I got my alert right here for my stop loss and take profit. We can see the alert tab right here where my active alerts are. And boom. Okay, let's go through the other pairs. We have UJ and GJ and USD Chef. So USD JPY looks like a nice bullish engulfing forward. We already are in an uptrend. I would buy this thing up to this previous resistance right there. Very nice setup. GJ, it's kind of hard to tell what's going to happen. Look at the difference between UJ, how it's just forming these beautiful higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. So I could see a new higher high be formed. It's very clear versus GJ is a little chaotic. It's kind of in a downtrend right here. I don't know what's going to happen, so I'd wait on that. And then USD Chef could see potential shorts. Euro CAD, nice doji right here. I think I'd wait for one more candle to close to see if it wants to break to the downside or up. But ideally, if we don't see a setup on one pair, we could look at all these other pairs and be like, all right, well, we see a setup right here. Let's take one right here. But this is the daily strategy, guys. Implement it, test it out. Let me know what you guys think. And also click the links in my description if you guys want more help. See you guys on the next video. Peace out. Not a lot of people made it to the end of the video, but you did. Make sure you share this video with a friend. Also, comment below. I want to know who you guys are and how I can help you guys out with your trading. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button. I'm dropping weekly videos every single week on trading to help you guys out. Look forward to seeing you guys soon.